Hi guys, good morning. Today we'll try to understand what is the stocks to be in focus and what are the sector to be in focus. What was the company results announced, their own results, and those also to be in focus. What are those results? So that and all we will understand, and also as we have a budget today, so it's a very critical and key thing to understand our market performance also. So that and all we will discuss. Before going to that, let me give a disclaimer: the content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell call, guys. Without any further delay, directly let us get into the stock radar for today. Stock radar for today is Oil India. The company has signed a contract with Dolphin Drilling Norway for the hiring of an anchor mode semi submersible drilling unit, Blackford Dolphin. So it has signed a contract with Dolphin Drilling. So for that, this will be in focus. So then comes Gensol Engineering. The company has emerged as the winning bidder for 116 megawatt or 150 megawatt of solar power projects in Gujarat. So because of that, it will be in focus. So then comes RailTel Corporation of India. The company has received a work order from the Ministry of Railway for design, development, implementation, operation, and maintenance of HMIS and integrated empowered hospital referral portal for Indian Railways, amounting to 186.81 crores. For 186 crores, the RailTel Corporation of India got one order from Ministry of Railways. So because of that, it will be in focus. Federal Bank. So the Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of Krishna Venkata Subramania as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Federal Bank for 3 years, effective from September 23, 2024. So because of this Venkata Subramania as a MD, so this Federal Bank will be in focus. So then comes Indiabulls Housing Finance. The name of Indiabulls Housing Finance has been changed to Samman Capital effectively June 26th. So then comes the Steel Authority of India. The board of directors of the company will meet on July 25th to consider the issuing of non-convertible bonds or debenture through private placements. So because of that, these stocks will be in focus. Please keep a close eye on these things. So then comes, as it is a result season, there are many companies has announced its results. So those stocks will also be in focus because of their own financial results. That will be the reason for them. So then the company is called Zensar Technologies. Profit fell by 8.9% and revenue rises to 4.7%. So this will be in focus. Cigniti Technologies profit tanks 76.4%, revenue increases to 6.6%. So then comes Mangalore Refinery Petrochemicals. Profit sinks 92%, revenue rises 10%. Jana Smile Finance Bank, I have already covered a video on that. Profit surges to 90%, net interest income grows 32%. So then comes Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy will also be in focus because of its quarterly result. So one second guys, let me open Suzlon. One second. Suzlon, it is not there. One second. Let me refresh once. Let me go back to the 22nd. Let me one second guys, give me a second. So sales year on year 50% up is there, EBITDA 86% up is there, net profit 226% up is there, and DPS 175% up is there. So because of that, Suzlon will be in focus. I will cover the detailed video on this. Okay, so don't worry about that. So then comes, as we have the budget today, so there are a few of the sectors will be in focus, and few of the key sectors of our India capex theme will be in focus. So keep a close eye on those things also. I'll quickly go through that. Real estate will be in focus, cement will be in focus, green energy will be in focus, green mobility will be in focus, and railway upgrade will be in focus, defense will be in focus, and there are few things not mentioned here. Defense will be in focus, and FMCG will be in focus because lot of expectation is there from the budget that this budget is going to be a very populous budget like that. So if they are concentrating on that area, so then definitely FMCG will work fine, FMCG will go up. So that is the reason. So we have to be careful and we have to be very cautious during this kind of things. So and one more thing from my side is the suggestion is so this kind of situations are very volatile in the market. Okay, so be careful if you are investing and if you are trading today. Be careful because there will be a very volatile, as we have seen June 4th, right? We cannot even predict how the market is going to behave. So it is better to avoid the trading or investment during this kind of a situation, because if we are thinking something as market will be behaving something else. So that is the reason, be careful. Even though if you are investing, take your own risk and only less capital you invest, okay? So you keep a be careful on that, okay? So then comes FIS and DIS activity. FIS and one second guys, that was 22nd. So FIS again are the net buyers of 3,444 crores, whereas in the case of DAS are selling 1,652 crores they sold. So FIS are buying continuously and DAS are selling continuously. We don't know what is their plan and all. So, but as we see, the market outlook remains the positive intact. If you look at our market is also still it is trading in this range 24,300 to 24,500 level. So the immediate hurdle will be the 24,800 and 24,900 level. But today, as it is a budget, it is very important to look at the psychological level, because that is what it is going to ultimately we are going to be dependent on. 24,000 will be acting as a strong support, strong psychological support. So that we have to consider, and the immediate hurdle or the resistance will be 24,900 guys. So any further up move or down move can go into that respective level. If it is a down move, then 24,000 will be the psychological support level. If it is up move, then 24,900 will be the hurdle as of now. This is how the our market looks like. So then comes our market. Yesterday, it has a kind of a flattish move, and if you look at the days low, it has almost recovered 0.75% or 183%, 183 points it has recovered from its day low. So that we should look into it. Market, we don't know how it is going to behave the market. So as of now, the broader market perspective still remains positive outlook. And now today I am not going to review the American market, because today our market behaves independently, that's what I feel. But still, let us look into the American market, Dow Jones. So Dow Jones has closed positive, but it was very volatile. Open gap up, then down, then up, then down, then up, kind of like that. Then last, it was moved in circuits. So then quickly, let us see Nasdaq. So Nasdaq also closed positive. It was trading negative for the last few days, but it has also closed positive. As of now, American market perspective, it is it seems to be positive outlook only, so we don't have to worry about it. Then comes gift nifty is also trading kind of a flat kind of a move, so then that is also not an issue. So our market also seems to be open flat or positive or negative, so that is one thing is there. So we cannot really say that how the market is going to behave. So that is one thing, but based on the gift nifty, we can expect the flat opening. So we'll see how it is going to happen. So be careful, guys. Today, when you are taking the decisions or when you are taking the any kind of a decision, be careful on that. So that's all I wanted to inform you. Let us hope for the good budget. Let us hope for the good returns. Let us hope for the best market outcomes. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you so very much.